we're going to take a look at how TimelinePI, the intelligent process mining solution, can analyze ServiceNow incidents from end to end. And we built a cloud-to-cloud connector, which will allow you to connect directly in to a client's ServiceNow instance, input the instance name, the ID, the username and password, and you'll be able to automatically import all of your incidents, corresponding tasks, and escalations into the TimelinePI solution for further analysis. Now, as a part of this demonstration, we've already got data from a ServiceNow instance loaded. As soon as we've got the data loaded into TimelinePI, you're presented with this overview page, which gives us a good idea about how our incidents are being handled from start to finish. For example, some of the metrics that we have here: the average and range of duration on closing out any one of our incidents. On average, we close out incidents in 28 days, but it could take anywhere from 0 to 22 months. The number of events in any of our incidents. We've also got some cost statistics that tell us for this full population of incidents that we've got for analysis, it's cost us $4 million to process them with an average of $98 per incident. Okay, so in total, we've got almost 390,000 events have been loaded, which are going to correspond to 40,492 timelines, or in this case, a timeline is going to be synonymous with an incident, right? 100% of the time we start as a new incident, but there are a number of different possible ending points for any one of our incidents, and in this example, there could be a few that are still in flight, right, as a part of this analysis. So from here, we'll move into the timeline view. We'll look at the actual process paths that the tool has generated for us. Now, each one of these horizontal lines represents a separate incident, and these circles and icons represent an event or activity that has occurred along the way. Okay, now if I click on any one of these, it's going to show me in much more detail what's happened with this incident from start to finish, right? So I've got every single event or activity that has taken place, all the way from when the incident was created as new, tasks were open, closed, maybe break fixes occurred, until eventually it looks like this incident was closed out. So we've got associated time gaps, attribute related data, for example, what department did the incident come from, what employee was responsible for processing it. So we've got very detailed data about each and every incident that we've loaded, with associated time gaps and dimensional data, which will be key when we start to drill into our analysis. Now, what's interesting here is we've got some subtasks broken out here that are showing us essentially all the different activities that have taken part as a part of any given task. So when we open a task, you can see all the corresponding lines and coloring associated with all the events which have happened with any one of our given tasks that has been open as a part of this incident, and so on down the line, right? So we're showing a grouping that's done by our task ID, showing us all the different activities that could have occurred. Now, this timelines and that corresponding detail view will become very important as we start to shape and scope our analysis, looking to uncover interesting, possibly non-compliant procedures that may be going on with our incidents, allowing us to drill into that detailed view to see what's been going on every step of the way.